Hello my friends, welcome to yet another unboxing. Today we're checking out the Kkmiao anyways, however you say that. Kkmiao. Okay, this is a app-based RGB light backlight strip for your television. So I've seen these things around. That's it for inside there, and basically it kind of syncs with your television and has different lighting, puts on the wall behind the TV and kind of like syncs it to what is the color on the television, I guess, something like that. So we have a little thank you for your purchase thing, 1.5 year warranty. That's cool. All right, so we have instructions, happy lighting user manual. It has a Bluetooth connection. Interesting. Okay. Open the Happy Light app. The app will auto to connect the BLE light. Okay. Main user interface. Okay, so it's going to connect there. And here it is. Looks like. So it's plugged in there, and that this is going under here. This is, how many feet is this? It boasts up to 16 million colors to create various vibes. So this is quite similar to the LEDs strip I have in my mask for different lighting, so it's kind of cool. So basically that's it. It's on the roll here, and there appears to be, I'm trying to look and see how many feet. Oh, 6.5 feet of this stuff on here. It's got a USB thing. I'm actually going to do a setup and demonstration video, of course, with this also. This is merely the unboxing, and that's what we get here. I'm going to go do a video where I plug this into my TV and show you how it works as well. So it does have 3M tape on the back of the LED strip here. And you can obviously just stick that to the back of the television. So, okay, thanks for watching this unboxing, my friends. I will leave a link to this product from Amazon in the description below, and we'll see you guys next time. Everyone have a great day out there, and take care of each other.
Okay, so I plugged this into my television, the LED light strip, and I downloaded the it's called Happy Lighting app, and sorry about that, 1 second. Happy Lighting app, yes, that's what I have, and it can change the colors of the app. You can set it to music, I guess, too, if you're playing music on your phone, and it changes the lighting colors too. Different styles: pulsating red, pulsating rainbow. One thing I thought it would do is to set it to the colors of that are on the television, but it doesn't seem to be able to do that for some reason. So user guide. It has this nice little user guide. Switch color wheel, settings. You can play music on there, on your songs. Change the bulb colors to match the environment. I'm going to try to do that if I can. So tape, happy lighting. How do I change to match the environment? Not exactly sure. I wanted to match the colors of the TV. I don't know if you have to just do that manually. I can't seem to figure out how to do it. Trying to shake it here. Music, style, pulsing, rainbow jumping, pulsing RGB. So it has a ton of these things. That's kind of cool. RGB strobe. Whoa. Okay, so it's got all those. You can do the strobe, like I think you can do it fast strobe. Let's try that. Whoa. Okay, it's definitely pulsating rainbow. Okay, so you can definitely do it, change a bunch of different colors. I just wanted to make it so, you know, so it would do it according to the patterns on the television, but it doesn't look like you can sync it to that. So let me give you a little idea what I'm talking about here. Let's see, go over my camera here, and as you can see, it's pretty much set on that one color. So I do have it plugged into the television. So I guess if you do want to change your colors to match it to the environment, you have to have your phone with you and kind of do it. I thought this would be automatic somehow. I was thinking that. I'm not sure why, but that's okay. Oh, wait. What do you got there? I didn't even know my TV had a power button. Oh my goodness. I didn't know. Well, you've learned something every day. Anyways, it's definitely cool. You could change the lighting around and stuff. What if I turn the app off, if it's just going to turn off altogether? But you can definitely change it to pretty much any color you want. And if you were to watch a movie or something, you can sync this to your music, and it'll change different colors according to the music, I guess. But it doesn't seem to be able to do it according to the lighting on the TV. Anyways, all right, I'll do a final review, and thanks for watching. All right, so I didn't put these lights behind my TV because they didn't sync with the actual lighting coming out from the television. So what I did was I put them under the desk here of my son's gaming system. So it actually plugs right into the Xbox one, and I thought it looked kind of cool. But whatever program or whatever you have the lighting set to on the app, when you unplug it, it remembers that. And so when I plugged in the USB here of the Xbox One, it just started doing this automatically. So you can set it to pretty much any color you want, pulsing, strobing, or whatever. So that's kind of neat. So I thought it'd be kind of a cool effect for the gaming room here. Anyways, that's that.
All right, welcome back to a final review on the Kkmiao 6.5 foot USB TV backlight kit. A couple of things you can see from the video I just did. It looks kind of cool. I did some underlighting on my son's computer desk there. It actually has a nice little effect. So as I stated previously, whatever you put in the app, it remembers it in the strip, and so I just set it for a certain effect that I wanted. It has a ton of them on the app. The app is actually pretty cool. It's quite extensive. You can sync it to music and anything. The only thing that I was a little bit disappointed in was that you weren't able to sync it to the colors coming out of your television. Oh my goodness, excuse me, just had a cough attack. Anyways, okay, so like I said, I wasn't able to figure out how to sync it to the colors from my television, even though I could plug it into the USB, so I was a little disappointed in that. The app was, like I said, is quite extensive. You're able to control pretty much any color you want. Tons of different layouts to set it to music, have backgrounds, different stuff like that. So pretty cool, the app is. I just kind of got it for the reason to put it behind the television, and when I found out that I would actually have to basically control those with the app itself, and you know what? I'm not a technical genius, so it might have something on the app where you could, possibly sync it to the colors that are coming out of television, and the app would recognize it on your phone. I don't know. I could be off. Maybe I didn't discover everything on there. So, other than that, it's a pretty cool little just LED device. If you want some lighting in different places to make things look cool, maybe a TV display or something under the a hanging shelf, tons of different aspects and different things you could use it for. So pretty cool light. I think the computer desk looks pretty sweet actually, with the little ground effects lighting on there. So yeah, thanks for watching this review, everyone. Have a great day out there, and take care of one another. We'll see you next time. ETPC out.